What am I? I am a common bird in Illinois. At 25 to 43 inches in length, I am a large bird. My back is brown and my belly is gray. I have a long black neck. The male and female of my species look the same. I live around lakes, ponds, marshes, and fields. I am commonly found in cities and can be considered a nuisance if there are too many of my species in the area. Nesting in my species occurs from March through June. The nest is a shallow depression in the ground lined with straw, grasses, and feathers, and typically contains 1 to 12 eggs. I eat grasses, seeds, corn, wheat, and aquatic plants. Some of my species live in Illinois in the summer, while others migrate through Illinois in the fall and winter. Migration begins in September. If the winter weather isn't too severe, I may stay in Illinois all year. My most telling features are my white cheek patch and my call. It sounds like this. What am I? I am a Canada goose.